Welcome back, everyone. Today is Thursday, the 25th of April, 2024. Yeah, and right here, of course, I am buying WTI. Of course, you all know that we've been talking about WTI pulling back. That's what we talked about yesterday, pulling back to at least 38.2%, or extremely down to 50%. All right. Or if peradventure if you can get 61.8, we would definitely take a look at a trade. All right. But as it stands now, right, it only touched 38.2, and then I saw some price action, couple of candlesticks pattern, mostly engulfing pattern. Okay, that's more like what I do. I like a dual or triple candlestick pattern. I don't use just the single one. I don't really like AMA or pin, but I would rather just go for engulfing or morning star or evening star. Those kind of three, or the three white soldiers or the black ones. Okay, the reason why I'm using that is because they are more consistent, they are more reliable. Why? Because you have three candlesticks or three particular candlesticks to deal with. Okay, not just one, three, right? So when you have three candlesticks and you're trading a 1 hour time frame, they have to be very consistent for them to come together in under 3 hours and form a particular pattern. Yeah, I think that could mean something. Okay, that's what I think anyway. It doesn't matter what it means, but it is what it is, right? So moving forward, so I am buying WTI. As you can see right here, we have a pullback and we have an engulfing candlestick, which is right here. Let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger so you can all see it. Okay, so I joined in here, all right, before I went to bed yesterday. I joined it around here. You can see we have this bearish candle followed by this massive engulfing candle. That is the engulfing candlestick. It is just a dual candlestick, right? It's just two candlestick. But for me personally, to trade an engulfing pattern, or let me just engulfing candlestick anyways. For me to trade that pattern, okay, after seeing the real candlestick, which is one red candlestick engulfed by a green candlestick, or vice versa, right? I like to see the next candlestick, which makes it the third candlestick, to close decisively above the engulfing candle itself. Okay, I like to see the third candlestick to close above the engulfing candlestick. Once I see that, that makes it three candlestick pattern, right? I will jump into it. All right. So I like to see a red candle. In this case of buying, I would like to see a red candle engulfed by a green candle, very big one, and then I would like to see another green candle. No matter the size doesn't matter. I just want to make sure that it closed above the engulfing pattern, engulfing candle itself. Once I see something like that, I will join in right here, and then whatever happens eventually, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So right now I'm buying WT high. I joined in right there, and so far it's been a dramatic one. When all of this happened, I was actually sleeping. I woke up like an hour ago. The time is 6:30 a.m. So it doesn't matter what it is. I slept around 10, so it's fine. By 10 I'm always asleep, because if you're trading and you can't leave your trade open overnight, then you're not trading. What you are doing is you're giving yourself a heart attack. Go and do something else. That's what I think. Unless you're a scalper or you're a day trader. If you're a swing trader and you're trading and you couldn't sleep because you have some trade open, it is as simple as just don't trade again, or go and close your trade, or do something. Give yourself peace of mind, man. All right, that's what I think. I like peace of mind.
Here we go again.
So moving forward, guys, there's actually nothing much to talk about on WTI today, right? I have this trade running on WTI. It's running pretty nicely. It just went back into profit right now. I mean, as I'm speaking right now, it just went back into profit. So we have to wait and see how this all plays out. Okay, my stop loss is somewhere around here. Okay, around 81.32. You can see it's a very wide stop loss. Yes, I know. When I was backtesting my strategy, I have over 500 data. Okay, I mean 500 open and close trades, and then I have a result of around 60 to 68% profit, and that is a target of 2.5 to 1. Okay, risk to reward ratio, excuse me for that. Okay, I have 1 ratio 2.5 risk to reward ratio, and it gives me a win rate of 60 to 65 68%, and I have 500 data, and that is pretty good for me. So I just like to stick to that. So if this trade closing loss, it is what it is. If it happens to be in profit, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do from here now. I just have to wait and sit here and see what the market is ready to do. The market can as well just start pushing up. Come here, right there. There's gonna be a lot of drama around this area because we have a very strong support here. Okay, very strong support here, right here, right here, and we've been talking about it for a very long time, right? We've been talking about this since forever. So we have that. So if the market is gonna go up, it's gonna face a lot of challenges right here. However, if we break it, then this level here is gonna get retested. It's gonna get touched. It's gonna feel good. I mean, it's gonna feel WTI again. It's gonna feel the pressure in the market again. And if that level is broken as well, it's straight up. But if any of them fail to be broken, then we could experience, another range. Okay, something like this, or the range might continue in here, as the case may be. So it is just gonna be a very nice one to wait on and see how it all plays out. So what am I saying here? I'm in a trade. It's running quite nicely because it's still right here at break even, so to speak. So, but it's not the kind of trade I want to run out of. It's not the kind of trade I want to run away from. I don't run away from trade. I follow my system, and then I would like to see where it goes. Okay, so my stop loss is right there, and I think let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. The entry I've walked you through how I entered the trade, and I've told you also how it could play out. It might as well just come back here, close me out, and then continue the range. And if it does anything above this level, this trade is profitable for me. But the only place it could go to that might turn it to loss is when it enters back inside this range. Okay, and I don't want to really have it draw down. Alright, but it doesn't matter. So on that note, let me quickly share another trade I'm in currently, which is USD JPY. Okay, this is another trade I want to share with you. I don't share Forex with you because you know how it goes. Forex is very, very dramatic. Okay, but I trade Forex as well. So I'm buying this particular pair right now, and I would like this. That's my target. It's almost touching it. Though, despite the fact that DXY is weak, yeah, but JPY is what? JPY is extremely weak, and that is what I'm buying. So dollar with its weakness is overpowering the extreme weakness of JPY of yen. So we're gonna see how that goes. It doesn't matter. That's just by the way. I just want to share it with you. So maybe there's someone here that's interested in forex trading. So you might want to look into it, JPY. I think it has already gone anyway, so there's no point. I opened it, I think yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So that's that, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video, which is gonna be good. And see you later. Bye bye.